here. This is just to like slap people with, apparently. And then we need M, N, N and M, N and M. Where's that? N and M. I know, it's a lot, and it's not rewarding. It's extremely rewarding, actually. It's extremely rewarding for them to have a cabinet, a gorgeous cabinet. You can always say that I built. Ooh. Stuff is sticking to stuff. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little lock thing. Okay, okay. Everything's so magnetized. Let's see. So this needs to go like that. I don't know what these are for. We're going to leave those. Okay. Okay. I'm going to squat for this one. This is actually not that hard. I imagine this would be much harder, but this is pretty easy. I'm very proud of myself. Very, very proud of myself. I think this is going to look so pretty. Oh my god, imagine a Bolton and a... I got nothing but your use right now. I'm too busy. You can have my little screwdriver when you're done. It'll get lost though if you want to use it. Only when I'm done though, then you can have it. Okay. Okay, that is in. Next part. Step 8. Okay, so we're going to smack this bitch on top. That's what we're doing. Okay. So we're going to need all them screwy things. That's what we need. Screwy things. These things. All these weird things. These weird little added things. So... why are my lungs so tired? So we're going to put you in like that. Why are my lungs so tired? Why can't you sleep at night? Why are my lungs so tired? Why can't we sleep at night? I give all my cool. Okay, those are all in. I think we add those little wooden things, right? Yeah. And then a bunch of the little wooden things. Alexa, continue. Wooden things. Wooden things. Wooden things. We need like two more. Okay, where is it? Perfect, now we're going to put it on top.